Hello friends, this is our 9th video of the AP series. In the previous 8 videos, we have learned about the first term A, common difference D, the nth term Tn and number of terms n. We also learned the formula of general term Tn and also the sum of n terms when the terms are in AP. Now we will do the few examples of the sums based on the formula of sum of n terms of AP. First of all, let us recall the formula. The sum S is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D, or the sum is also equal to S is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus L, depending upon the values given to us in the question. Let us begin example 1. Find the sum of the AP. First part, minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and so on up to the 12 terms. The given is the AP series of negative terms. Total number of terms are 12 given to us. The first term here is minus 37 and we have to find out the sum of all these 12 terms. We can write all the 12 terms and add them up according to algebra rules, but that may be a lengthy process. Instead, we will check the given series is in AP, it is already given. So we will directly apply the formula of sum of n terms of the AP. So solution is S capital is equal to, we write all the terms in the bracket because these are the negative terms and put the plus sign in between all these terms to add them. We clearly see that here A, the first term is minus 37. Now to find D, we subtract any two consecutive terms. Here D is the difference of second term and the first term. Second term minus 33, subtract minus 37. So it becomes minus 33 plus 37, total is 4. D will be 4. And n, the number of terms, 12, it is already given in the question. We have now A minus 37, D 4, N 12 and also the main thing S, the formula of sum of n terms of AP. S is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D bracket closed. Now we put the values. N is 12 by 2 bracket 2 into a minus 37 plus n minus 1 means 12 minus 1 into D means 4. We have just put the values. Now outside the bracket it is 12 by 2, that get cancelled for the table of 6. 6 2s are 12 outside the bracket, and inside 2 multiplied by minus 37 is minus 74. Further 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 4 is 44. Therefore we have 6 bracket minus 74 plus 44 equal to 6 into minus 30, the sign of bigger term. 6 into minus 30 will be minus 180, and that is the value of capital S, the sum of 12 terms of the given question. The important thing here is the terms in the sequence should be AP terms. So friends, without doing the addition of 12 negative numbers directly, we have substituted the formula and get the answer minus 180. Let us proceed further to second example. Find the sum of 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and so on up to 100 terms. Are you ready to add the terms, writing one below the another and decimal in all the terms and writing all these terms 100 times, means from 2.8 onwards the next 97 terms. Can you write these all and add them up? Yes, clearly it is answer no. We cannot directly add them up. But what we see here, the terms are in AP because they have a common jump. Every term is increasing from previous one by 1.1, and for the APs we have a ready-made formula of SN. So with the help of that formula we will find the sum of these 100 terms. So let us see the solution. Sum S is equal to 0.6 plus 1.7 plus 2.8 plus so on up to 100 terms. We are adding all these terms and writing them as capital S. Here A is the first term 0.6, D common difference is T2 minus T1, that is 1.7 minus 0.6 equal to 1.1, and N, the number of terms in the question, 100. We substitute the values. We have N by 2 means 100 by 2, bracket 2A means 2 into 0.6 plus N minus 1, 100 minus 1 into D 1.1. Here we have simply put the values. Now cancellation, 100 by 2 is 50. Outside the bracket we write 50 and inside 2 into 0.6 is 1.2. 6 2s are 12 and decimal is there 1.2, and removing the decimal we will write it as 12 by 10. The first multiplication becomes 12 by 10 plus 100 minus 1 is 99 into 1.1 is written as 11 by 10. 10 is in both the terms inside the bracket. We take it common and outside it becomes 50 by 10, and inside the bracket we have 12 plus 99 into 11 becomes 1089. 10 5s are 50, 0 get cancelled, and the answer is 5 multiplied by 1101, or the sum will be 5505. In this way we have added the 100 terms within seconds. So friends, you can practice this formula more from your course book. If you have still any problems or queries, you can write to us in our comment box. In our next video, we will share a few more sums of this type. You can subscribe our channel and press the bell button for the notification of our latest videos. That is all for today. Take care and work hard. Bye bye.